Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz February 17th in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. Here you see I got 88 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz. Now click start quiz. Here you see February 17 a question and total two options in which one option is the correct option and I will provide you the correct option. Option number 2, which is false, is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct answer. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.